Now, if you don't want to be an entrepreneur, learning n8n automations can really skyrocket your career growth as well. So if you don't want to be an entrepreneur or you don't want to quit your job, you can still make money with automation. In fact, one of the most powerful ways to monetize these skills is inside your own current company. Because like I mentioned, a lot of companies are in need for these skills. And once you position yourself in your organization as a go-to person who is great at AI automation, and you can position yourself that you can help your organization save time and money, definitely this is something that will put a lot of eyeballs on you, and you can now become the automation person, the go-to expert who streamlines operations within your organization. So for example, you can start by automating reporting, ticket triage, onboarding tasks, or data syncs between tools, and you can present your impact as time saved, that is hours per week, and then you can provide the dollar value as well. When you can show how your automation saved the company thousands of dollars, you are not just an employee now, you are a return on investment generator, and that's how you can earn promotions, raises, and influence within your company and also within your organization as well.